time this and something like that. It's a stupid situation, and we people, me and you, must listen these words. These words we can listen from television, radio, internet. Many people think that internet is Facebook. Which don't know nothing about that. Many people know, but many people don't know. But today is very special day. Today is Voodoo Magic Day. Why? In the start the show I can show you. It's very special day. It's Voodoo Day today. 20 November, it's a very good day. But we and people must celebrate this day. It's like all evenings day or Halloween or something like that, but today is a special Cats Day. Okay, we can next question. Kenan Kečkene, I like this show. Okay, thank you. Semiha Prague, you help me at Sarajevo to find the husband. Thank you, Colin. Okay, thank you. Next question. Mary Maggie Vienna Temperance. How do I know if somebody is lying to me? It's very hard problem, but it's very lucky. You must put in a left hand a green piece of paper, and when the people tell you if the green piece of paper little change the color, this person lied to you. If the piece of paper stay green, this person don't lie. It's very hard, but it's very lucky. Okay. Next question. Ali, India, the Hierophant. I have a lot of finance problems. I feel depressed. How do I help myself? Okay. We will see you in my cats. $10 million people watch. No? Like Skype. Okay, from depressed one woman will find a solution to you. That is. Okay, greetings. Next question, but first I will shuffle the deck. It's very good show, easy, we don't hurry nothing. Many people hurry to car, to bus, to train, to work, job, and everybody want hurry, but we wizard don't hurry. Easy boy. Okay, next question. Can you do Haiti voodoo? Samantha Oreo. Okay, Haiti voodoo, it's a very scary ritual. This voodoo who I'm show you with chicken legs is the Dominican Republic voodoo, but Haiti is the border of the Dominican Republic. I'm born on Dominican Republic, and I'm born on Haiti in my primary school. I'm like a child was taught the Dominican Republic voodoo magic and Haiti voodoo magic. Haiti voodoo magic I don't show you at the live stream, because this magic may somebody hurt or something like that. Is very strong magic. Is a magic after pictures, and from picture from that person can hurt. It's a very good and strong rituals. We start that, warm the picture of that person, and I can't tell you everything, Samantha, because many people don't work white magic. Many people want to know the black magic. Because I don't show you, Samantha, this ritual, but my light warriors know that my cousin live on Haiti in Middle America. Okay, many questions. Mashinka, dear Milan, will ever win the damn lottery? Okay, you must tell me your card horoscope. I don't know like this. Okay, it's answer Haiti voodoo for Samantha. This Haiti voodoo I learned on my lessons in School of Tarot, and people can know Haiti voodoo. This is for the special people, not for everybody Haiti voodoo. Like this show. This show is not for people who don't understand the life, don't have a target. It's not. This show is 3% people on the world who want everything, who have a target, who know how to live, who love this job. It's this show is not for everybody. Everybody don't know to watch on internet or live stream or something like that. Everybody know to turn on TV and watch some stupid program and something like that, sport or something like that, movies and something like that. But this show is magical, because this show host is the magician, and it's very good show. Okay, next question.